Hi, this is Yasmin. Welcome to my first public video ever. Today, I'll present a short introduction to JavaKara. Running the jar file executes the standalone JavaKara program. The world of JavaKara contains a Kara, the ladybug, trees, mushrooms, and leaves. We can either activate or deactivate the view of these elements. Kara cannot move when confronted with a tree or a mushroom. Therefore, Kara should turn around them. The size of the world can be changed, and additionally, we can zoom in and out the world. Many exercises with different levels can be used directly by selecting the exercise button. Different worlds can be loaded and the solutions are provided. JavaKara can be executed not only standalone but also under different IDEs. This example shows the Eclipse IDE. Using the Eclipse IDE provides the facility of reverse engineering the code. This example shows how to get the class UML diagrams. When selecting the question mark on the top right, a comprehensive user manual will appear. This manual helps in knowing the object and the sensors used in JavaKara. The World Editor tab provides the world's description. The Program Editor provides the instructions to avoid or solve possible compilation problems. It also provides the keyword shortcuts that can be used. The JavaKara Program tab provides the methods, names, and description.